We doubling up. What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint, and the day has finally come. We about to take this screen protector off and install a matte screen protector that I found on Amazon. So let's get it. Now, if you don't know who I be, I go by the name Wayne Train. My real name is Dwayne Mims. You can search that up at the top. It might be easier to find your boy. Honestly, I think it's the easiest way to find your boy. Dwayne Mims, D-W-A-Y-N-E-M-I-M-S. At the top, #1. Easy as ever. You might even be able to find me by Wayne Train as well. I think I'm ranked up pretty high with that too. But we do tech videos over here, unboxings, all kinds of stuff. Screen installations, as you can see, screen protector installation. So if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing to your boy. Now, if you are a Z Fold 2 owner, you've been following the Z Fold 2, you know one of the most frightening things that, you know, has people are kind of avoiding, you know, is doing the screen protector. A lot of people don't want to remove it, like myself. I'm not about to just remove this thing and just leave it bare bones, but I will remove it and put another one on there. Now, the other precaution if you are attempting or will do this is Samsung, whether they would do anything. I don't believe there's any voiding of warranties for removing the screen protector. You know, it is a screen protector, so but they'll remove it for you, but they won't provide a new one for you, from what I hear. So yeah, so honestly, I don't understand that, but anyway, man, let's go ahead and get into this. Let's check out what's inside the packaging. Now, this is an anti-glare matte screen protector. I believe the retail price is around 20 bucks, but before I actually even do this video, I will be watching a video on the installation of this one before I attempt it myself, just to make sure I apply it right. I don't want to be out of a screen protector in the event that something goes wrong here. So we got the long squeegee. We got, what is this, some alcohol wipes, I believe, or Healingshield. Okay, we'll check that out. We got some dust removal stickers, very important right there. And that's all we got. The screen protector right here, instructions, squeegee. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming this is like some alcohol wipes. And bam, the dust removal stickers. Now, like I said, I'm about to go refer to the video like the packaging says, and then we'll be back for the installation. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back with it. So let's go ahead and begin. Now, I guess for a lot of people, the biggest issue with this is removing the screen protector in the first place. Now, your boy don't really got nails, so I'm honestly not too worried about gouging the screen. But okay, so got a little lift. There we go. Bam. That's out of there. Now, all right. So it's not a alcohol wipe, but let's go ahead and give it a wipe down. whenever I'm doing this type of stuff, I'm such a perfectionist. So I usually take all day. And night. All right. Okay, so bam, 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 bam. Right. Now, I think we are pretty lined up. Let me turn that off. Oops. Try to get some of this squeegee down. The blue part. Okay. Now, as you can see, I still got quite a few bubbles. Now, let's go there. Okay. We're good there. Got that fold in. Now, as with like any screen protector, usually these like air pockets and bubbles usually will come out. Okay. There it is, man. Matte screen protector installation complete. Next, I'm gonna give this a few days for everything to settle up. You know, fingerprints are now at a minimal. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. Like, subscribe, get this up out of here, share, okay? Do it up for your boy, it's your man Wayne Train. I'm out.